In this video, we will show you how to activate your Zeus Network account and log in. Follow these simple steps to get started with Zeus Network today. Step 1. Visit the activation website. Go to the official Zeus Network activation page. Open your web browser and type the following URL: http://www.thezeusnetwork.com. Activate. Make sure you are using a reliable internet connection to avoid any issues during the activation process. Step 2. Enter your activation code. On the activation page, you will be prompted to enter your unique activation code. This code should have been provided to you when you signed up for Zeus Network or through your subscription. Carefully input the activation code in the designated field. Step 3. Click Activate. After entering the activation code, click the Activate button. This will confirm the validity of your code and allow your account to be activated. Step 4. Log in to your Zeus Network account. Once your account is successfully activated, you will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your username and password that you created during the registration process. Ensure that your login credentials are correct. Step 5. Enjoy Zeus Network. After logging in, you will gain full access to all of the amazing content and features available on Zeus Network. You can now explore shows, videos, and much more. Troubleshooting tips. If you don't receive an activation email, check your spam folder. Double-check the activation code for accuracy. If you encounter any issues, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Ensure your internet connection is stable. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.